Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and apply for Medicaid on Illinois. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that purpose, first of all, access your browser and simply type in hfs.illinois.gov and get into this official website of theirs. Right over here afterwards, you're going to scroll down a bit and find out this options here, this section of for our customers. Now go ahead, tap on this option called manage my healthcare benefits. After doing that, the very first thing you can see is you have a medical client and ABE benefits, etc. So if you have been trying to find out how you would be able to apply for Medicaid, for that purpose, the first thing that you can do is for you is simply gonna go ahead here in this article, make sure to read it accordingly, and you have to go to this abe.illinois.gov where you will be able to access an option where you can simply apply for Medicaid. Right. Other than that, you have other options where you can find your case and manage my case, apply for benefits, check if I should apply or not. But for the particular Medicaid option, you have to access this particular website, which is unfortunately denied for me. So when you have actually accessed that particular ABE website, all you have to do is tap on this apply for benefits and you will be able to input the information as it asks for you. Once you have input the asked information correctly, you will be able to get the information regarding what you have to do further and what you have to provide in the terms of documents and etc. And you will be granted Medicaid plan. So get this service on Illinois is simply have to go to this website ABE and grant yourself the plan. So this is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.